Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Musthafa Ahmad Maulana. I'm from 12 Science 2 Mandua Samarinda. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bardi wall switch to a smartphone. So, for those of you who don't want the hassle of turning on off the lights manually, you can use the Bardi wall switch at your home. Or, if you are traveling and forget to turn on off the lights, you can use this Bardi Smart Home application to turn on off the lights using smartphone wherever you are. The tools we need are Bardi wall switch and smartphone. And of course, your smartphone has the Bardi Smart Home application installed. Stay tuned my video. Let's go to the steps.
First of all, tap the plus sign at the top right of the screen and tap select add device. Secondly, select electrical menu. After that, select wall switch. Next, connect device to home Wi-Fi address. Then, tap the next button. Wait for the Wi-Fi connection process. After device added successfully, you can change the device name if you want. Then, tap the done button. Finally, you can control the button switch on your smartphone.
Thank you for watching. I hope it's useful. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.